Welcome to Kids Hub.
A for ant, apple, axe, apron, ad, abacus. A for ant, apple, axe, apron, ad, abacus. B for bug, ball, boy, bell, box, book. B for bug, ball, boy, bell, box, book. C for coffee, cat, cake, car, cow, cap. C for coffee, cat, cake, car, cow, cap. D for dog, drum, doll, duck, desk, door. D for dog, drum, doll, duck, desk, door. E for egg, eagle, earth, elephant, ear, eraser. E for egg, eagle, earth, elephant, ear, eraser. F for farm, fish, father, fat, frog, fan. F for farm, fish, father, fat, frog, fan. G for girl, globe, goat, giraffe, grass, glasses. G for girl, globe, goat, giraffe, grass, glasses. H for hat, hug, hippo, house, hen, hand. H for hat, hug, hippo, house, hen, hand. I for igloo, island, ill, ice cream, ink, in. I for igloo, island, ill, ice cream, ink, in. J for jelly, jigsaw, jump, jellyfish, juice, jet. J for jelly, jigsaw, jump, jellyfish, juice, jet. K for king, koala, kite, kangaroo, key, kitchen. K for king, koala, kite, kangaroo, key, kitchen. L for lizard, lamp, log, lamb, lunch, lion. L for lizard, lamp, log, lamb, lunch, lion. M for monkey, monk, moon, man, mango, map. M for monkey, monk, moon, man, mango, map. N for nest, net, nurse, night, neck, nose. N for nest, net, nurse, night, neck, nose. O for open, orange, owl, octopus, on, ox. O for open, orange. L, octopus. On, ox. P for pen, pencil, pizza, pumpkin, panda, pig. P for pen, pencil, pizza, pumpkin, panda, pig. Q for queen, quick. Q question, quill, quilt. Q for queen, quick. Q question, quill, quilt. R for ring, rainbow, rat, rabbit, ruler, robot. R for ring, rainbow, rat, rabbit, ruler, robot. S for school, spider, sad, sandwich, sun, star. S for school, spider, sad, sandwich, sun, star. T for television, 10, turtle, top, teacher, T. T for television, 10, turtle, top, teacher, T. U for under, ugly, up, umbrella, unicorn, uniform. U for under, ugly, up, umbrella, unicorn, uniform. V for vet, vacuum, vase, van, vampire, volcano. V for vet, vacuum, vase, van, vampire, volcano. W for wind, window, witch, whale, worm, women. W for wind, window, witch, whale, worm, women. X for Xerox, zing, X-mass, X-ray, xylophone, Xebec. X for Xerox, zing, X-mass, X-ray, xylophone, Xebec. Y for yak, yo-yo, yoke, yard, yogurt, yellow. Y for yak, yo-yo, yoke, yard, yogurt, yellow. Z for zebra, zigzag, zoo, zoom, zero, zip. Z for zebra, zigzag, zoo, zoom, zero, zip.
Thanks for watching. For more cute and fun videos, like and subscribe Kids Hub. See you in our next video. Bye bye.